There we go. The wicked, the fox, the rare white fox, and the hammer. Hammer white fox right here. This is the only one in the world. Don't ask why the fox's tail turns, because I don't friggin' know. But this is the what? This is the white fox. I don't know why the tail turns though. He usually has green eyes, but tonight it's got yellow eyes. I guess it depends on the light. Tuck off from next door. Too bad we didn't get to see it, huh? Come on now, do something. The white fox stare. The white fox stare, dude. Where's the white fox going now? Come on, white fox, do something. Do something, white fox. Ah, come on. You can do more than that, can't you? Go on. White fox, do something. Do circles or something. Come on. White fox, do something. Shh. The white fox ain't gonna do nothing. It's gonna chew on its favorite bark. Fudge. Alright, the white fox ain't gonna do nothing. White fox, you wanna go in? Huh? You wanna go inside? Let's go inside. Come on, white fox. Let's go. Let's go in. Come on. Come on. White fox. Come on. Come on, white fox. Come on. Come on, white fox. White fox, look at me. Hey, look at me real quick. Look. Hey, 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 hey.